This is what's included in the kit. Well, if you do the whole kit. So the option number 1 includes all of this plus the 6 cards, which I will show you in a few minutes. And then option number 2 includes that. I'll take these out, and the six cards. And there is one more thing that's included that I do not have, and it's the gems for the shaker cards. So in this one, you're going to make a shaker card, a pop-up card, and an accordion card. So there's 3 different cards that you'll be making that are unique. Only doing 6 cards. So you will include just a half of each of these rolls of ribbon. There's only 5 yards on here, but it will give you 2.5 yards so that you will be able to at least get a feel for what they're like, and you will need them for your projects. You'll receive a half a pack of the In Color enamel dots. I'm trying to keep the cost down. You will receive these cute little, what are they called? Mason jar shaker domes, and you'll need those for one of the projects. And then the punch and the stamp set are in the first option, not the second option. And then you'll also receive, it's a round, one of the round containers, and it has the beads in it for the shaker domes, which could also be used as bling on a card. So let me get started and show you what the cards look like. One of the cards, I don't know if it's card number 1. I don't have them in order here probably. So this is one of the cards that I will be doing, and it is a shaker card. I don't have the shaker things to go inside. I have not ordered those yet, but I will walk you through on how to make this shaker card really easily, because you can see right now I don't have my back attached, but I do have it attached to a certain degree, so that when I get ready to put those shakers in there, those beads in there, that it won't be a mess to do. So I'm going to show you how to do that to keep it from losing them all over the place. And it's an adorable little card with the little jar here. I don't know if you guys can see that or not. I'm hoping so. The next card I'm going to show you is just a fancy fold. It's just not a complete fold. It is a partial fold. Really simple. Not a whole lot to this one. Nice and easy to do. The next one is also a pretty simple fold. And this one uses the Dainty Diamonds embossing folder here in the background. But there is a trick, because this stamp is not this long. And so I'm going to show you how to use that stamp. It's just a small stamp, the size of the other ones, and I'll show you how to make that work for you. So that's one. And then this one is the pop-up card. And so when you pull on it, you can get a hold of it, it comes up. You can stamp a greeting in here, and I would recommend you do that before you put it together, unless you hang on to that and slip it in there afterwards, which you can do. But this is a pop-up card that will, I will teach you how to make that. And if you're a part of my team, you did that, you saw that this week. This one is an accordion card, which my team did last week. Whoops, I lost my belly band. And it folds out into a really cute card. And then it also opens up inside. No, it doesn't. I didn't do that. So it just folds out. Okay, and then the final card is just a really sweet and simple card. We have to have some easy ones, or else you guys will just be ready to strangle me. So this one is just a simple card, and just this will be embossed for you. You will punch it with the punch, stamp your flowers, cut them out, and put it together. So I hope you'll be joining me for this card class, and registration has opened today and will close on Wednesday. So get registered right away so I can get the products before they go on back order. That's the biggest thing right now. So and if you want your card kit shipped, don't forget to add shipping. It's only $5 for shipping. So yeah, Anyway, thank you for joining me today. I appreciate you guys being here, and I hope you'll get registered soon. Thank you. Bye-bye.